You're a busy mom, working, managing your home, handling responsibilities, and still trying to look put together every day? Then you already know how frustrating hair can be. Because the reality is, you don't have time to style your hair every morning. You don't have time for complicated routines. And you definitely don't have time for styles that only last 1 or 2 days. So in this video, I'm gonna walk you through trending 2026 protective hairstyles that are designed specifically for women like you. Styles that are long-lasting, low-maintenance, elegant, and realistic for a busy lifestyle. These are the kinds of hairstyles that allow you to wake up, get ready, and walk out the door feeling confident without stress. Now, before we start, think about this for a second. How often are you redoing your hair during the week? Every day? Every few days? Or only when it starts looking messy? Because by the end of this video, your goal should be simple. Do your hair once and be done for days. Now let's get into the first style. This first protective style is perfect if you want something simple, clean, and reliable. It's one of those styles that works whether you're going to work, running errands, or just staying at home. And that's important because as a busy mom, you need versatility. Now, what makes this style protective is that your ends are secured and your hair is not being manipulated constantly. That alone reduces breakage and helps retain length over time. But let's talk about something most people overlook. The reason many protective styles don't actually last isn't the style itself. It's the preparation. If your hair is dry before styling, the result will never be the same. So, before starting any of these styles, I always recommend using a good moisturizing product, something that keeps your hair soft, manageable, and easy to work with. And if you've ever struggled with frizz or dryness after styling, it's usually because that step was skipped. If you want to use these same type of products that help these styles stay neat and polished, I've already listed them in the description for you. Now, as you go through the style, keep everything smooth and controlled. You don't need to rush, because even simple styles can look very elevated when done neatly. And that's the key word here, elevated. We're not just doing hair, or creating a look that fits your lifestyle. Now stay with me because the next style is perfect if you want something that lasts even longer. With minimal effort, this next hairstyle is one of the most practical options for busy women in 2026. It's structured, it's neat, and once it's done, you don't have to think about it again for days. And that's exactly what makes it powerful. And now one thing I want you to pay attention to is how smooth everything looks. That doesn't happen by accident. It comes down to two things: technique and the right styling products. If your styles tend to puff up or lose shape quickly, it's usually because the product doesn't have enough hold. That's why I always use a reliable styling gel or edge control to keep everything in place. And again, if you're not sure what works, I've already made it easier by linking the ones I trust in the description. Now, as you continue, focus on comfort as well. A good protective style should not feel tight or painful. You should be able to wear it all day without discomfort. Now, let's talk about something real for a moment. As a busy mom, your time is limited. So, every decision you make, including your hairstyle, should support your routine, not complicate it. That's why the next style is one of my favorites. This next hairstyle is what I call a set it and forget it style. Once you do it, you don't need to touch it again for most of the week, and that alone can save you hours. Now imagine this. It's Monday morning. You wake up. Your hair is already done. You don't have to redo anything. You just get ready and go. That's the level of convenience we're aiming for. As we continue, I want you to notice a pattern. Every style in this video is designed around one core idea: low effort, high impact. Because you shouldn't have to choose between looking good and saving time. You can have both. Now this next style is slightly more refined. It's perfect if you want something that looks more polished, maybe for work, meetings, or even events. But the best part? It's still low maintenance. And that's what makes it powerful. Now again, preparation matters here. If your base is not properly moisturized and sealed, the style won't hold the same way. Don't skip that step. If you're still watching at this point, I want you to tell me something in the comments. Do you prefer styles that are more simple or slightly more styled and polished? Now let's move into another set of styles that are trending in 2026. These are styles that combine function and fashion. Because let's be honest, you don't just want something easy, you also want something that looks good. This next hairstyle is perfect for that. It has a modern look, but it's still very practical. And it works whether you're at work, running errands, or even going out. Now, here's another important tip. If you want your protective styles to actually protect your hair, you need to take care of them while you wear them. That means wrapping your hair at night, keeping your scalp moisturized, and avoiding too much manipulation. Small habits, big results. As we move further into the video, we're getting into some of the most effective styles for long-term wear. So stay with me, because these can completely change your routine. This next style is one of the most reliable options you can have. It's clean, it's timeless, and it works in almost any situation. And once you master it, you'll keep coming back to it. Now imagine your routine after this. Less stress, less time spent on hair, more confidence. That's the goal. Now for the final section, I'm going to show you styles that are your go-to solutions, the ones you can rely on when you don't want to think too much. This final style is one of the best for longevity. It holds, it protects, and it stays neat. And once you try it, it might become your favorite. If you made it this far, I really appreciate you. And before you go, here's what I want you to do next. Check the description for the products used in these styles. If you want your hair to actually look like this and last, the products make a difference. And don't forget to subscribe for more easy, low-maintenance hairstyles every week. And finally, tell me in the comments what kind of styles you want next, because I might feature your idea in the next video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.
Step in my chair, feel the magic begin. Shoeless hands on your hair, let that confidence win. Twist and turn, every braid tells a tale. Queen in the mirror, watch how beauty prevails. Step in my chair, feel the magic begin. Shoeless hands on your hair, let that confidence win. Twist and turn, every braid tells a tale.